Hi, this is Steve Yulberg for Dulcimer Crossing, and today we're going to take a look at musical notation and tablature for the hammered dulcimer. Now, tablature was something that was developed for fretted stringed instruments because there are more than one place to play the same note, the same pitch, unlike an instrument that has discrete pitches like the piano, where there's only one place to find the note. So musical notation is all you need. Again, musical notation is a way to describe sound over time. But when you have the possibility of getting the same sound in more than one place, there can be confusion, and it's easy to forget where you did it before. Now, with many other stringed instruments like guitar, banjo, mandolin, those kinds of things, there has been developed a pretty standard tablature system. Mountain dulcimer, as if you are a mountain dulcimer player, in the mountain dulcimer side of this lesson, you can see some different examples of the ways that people have come up with tablature. There still isn't a standard, but it's becoming more standardized. But in the hammer dulcimer world, it's even less standardized. But let me demonstrate why we have this issue in the first place. Here's a D. Here's a D. Those are exact same pitches. Now, that's a place where I can get two Ds that are the same pitch. But what about the places where I can get three A's? Here's an A, and there's the same A, and there's the same A. They're all in the same octave. Exact same pitch. So the question is, if I have three playing areas on the left side of the bass bridge, on the right side of the treble bridge, on the left side of the treble bridge, what am I going to do? How am I going to be able to tell where I am playing? People have come up with several different ways to make those distinctions on paper. It's one thing to watch somebody play and they say, well, I'm going to play over here, I'm going to play over here, play over here, and you know exactly what they're talking about. But when you're trying to communicate on that on paper, or if you're trying to come up with a way that you can remember, now, what did I do last time, and how do I remember to do that again? That's where the tablature is helpful. Now, the other thing on my dulcimer, you'll notice that there's these two other places that you can play, and some people have even come up with ways of delineating when you're playing there. But let's just take a look at some of the different ways that people have done this.